Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Bhupendra. I hope you are doing great. You are doing practice every day, a lot of practice every day doing, and you you are facing problems. You have deal easily with your problems every day because you are learning strange language which is not our mother tongue. So I think it happened difficulty and it happen problems, everyone doing mistake, but how you will overcome of those mistakes, how you will find problems, how will recorrect your mistake day by day, that is important. That is the vital role of improving your communication, improving and learning anything. Okay, my dear friends, everybody want to learn English language because they they know what is the importance of English language. After learning English language, you can do anything. You can go anywhere. You can study anywhere. You can do business anywhere because we have connected globally nowadays. In our hand, we have all over the world. We have globe on our hand. So if you know English language, you can deal, you can communicate with any person because Hindi and regional language uh, don't know too much people in other state, in other country, like our India also. Most of the people, they don't know Hindi language, like South Indian people, Northeast Indian people, like Assami and Bengali, Malayalam, like that. So how you can communicate with them easily? If you want to visit South India, if you want to visit Rameshwaram or Chennai, any other place, so you can, how you can communicate with them, how you can explore your knowledge with them, and if you able to if you are able to speak in English language, then you will make sentence in English language and you will speak with them. You will ask any question from them. You will become a part of, become a part of, you will know their tradition, culture, and their life tradition, life activities, how you can, how whose people living lifestyle you can easily learn, and you will learn their culture easily, their native culture, and you will know everything. Okay, and you will manage, you will deal with them. There you will deal with their problems which has which are generated their native place, their location and their region. Okay, if like for suppose that you visit in Rameshwaram or Chennai, South Indian, so South India, so how you can communicate with South Indian people because they know only Tamil language. They, most of the people, they don't know Hindi language, but if you know English language, you can speak whatever you want to, whatever you required for your daily uses product, daily household product, and daily expenses product. You can easily ask them, and you will if you visit, if you want to any product and you go to any market, shop floor, and like market, then you will ask whatever you want to ask them easily. Like for suppose that you want to water, and you want to fruits, you want to fruits which are very famous of famous from their place, then you can easily ask from them, and you will give from them, you will give, and you will bring also. Okay, but my dear friends, if you don't know English language, so how you can communicate with them easily? Okay, so that it is very necessary language, it is necessary, and it is very important language also. If you are doing practice every day, that is the vital role of improving your communication. It is very important for our professional and personal life. Nowadays everyone want to educate their child in English medium school, but they don't know English language. But suppose that your every school nowadays attend the parents meeting. So how you can attend parents meeting, how you can get feedback of your child? Okay, but if you know English language, you can easily ask from ask to principals, ask to their ask to kids teachers, and you will get feedback of your child. What is the performance, what is the improvement of your child? You can easily know after knowing English language, after become fluent in English language. Okay, and but nowadays most of the parents, they don't know in English language, but their child their child is studying in English medium school, but they cannot attend parents meeting, and they cannot guide their child how they can manage, how they can deal with their child, because they don't know English language. But my dear friends, how you can also, if you learn English language, you can teach your child, your kids easily. Okay, and you will, because nowadays child or kids is very smarter than us, and they ask many questions from ourselves, from us. So how you can give answer, how you will able to give answer to your child without English language? But if you know English language, you can get answer from them easily, and your child, your kids has satisfied from you, and they feel proud. My father, my mother is intelligent, they know English language easily, and they able to speak English language Okay, so my dear friends, today I think this is enough session, and I will meet again very soon, as much as possible. As soon as possible I make video again, and I think it was nice video. And if you learn my video and you feel this video is very nice, this video is good, so you will subscribe my channel, you will share, comment and like my channel, support, so that I will make video and which is helpful for you, and which is helpful for who is learn English language, who will try to learn English language, who will find many difficulties, how they can learn, how they can manage. Okay, bye, take care, have a nice day.